So today we're looking inside the 11 by 11. So this is what it looks like in the cube, and you can see this cube actually has a frame. So the smallest cube frame the smallest cube of a frame is a 5 by 5 made by Gan. So yep, and these edges slide pretty well within each other, and it has looks like it has three spears, and that there's this center edge holding all the other edges up. And looking at these center pieces, this is an outer center corner, and we can put this right here like that. And this is a pair of center edges. So we put these all together like this, and then you can see how the wings go together. And all these pieces are just random pieces, which are going to. And these pieces right here are the wing edge pieces, and this inner one is the edge piece. So that's all I've got to say about this 11 by 11.